Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, Jesus, in Islam. His miraculous birth, message, and return. Prophet Isa alayhi salam, Jesus, is a revered prophet in Islam, mentioned extensively in the Quran. His life, mission, and status highlight his importance in Islamic theology. And we gave him the Injil, in which was guidance and light. Surah Al-Ma'idah. Miraculous birth without a father. Prophet Isa alayhi salam was born to Maryam alayhi salam through a miraculous command of Allah. His birth is a sign of Allah's power. Indeed, the example of Isa to Allah is like that of Adam. He created him from dust, then he said to him, "Be," and he was. His human nature, not divine. Isa alayhi salam is regarded as a human prophet, not divine, in Islam. Isa, the son of Maryam, was no more than a messenger. Many were the messengers that passed away before him. Surah Al-Ma'idah. His mission, messenger of Tawheed, monotheism. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam called people to worship Allah alone and follow his guidance. Indeed, Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship him. That is the straight path. Surah Maryam. His miracles. Prophet Isa performed many miracles by Allah's permission, proving his prophethood. Number 1, speaking in the cradle. Number 2, creating birds from clay. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam molded birds from clay and gave them life by Allah's command. Number 3, reviving the dead. Hazrat Isa alayhi salam brought the dead back to life by Allah's permission. And I give life to the dead, by permission of Allah. Number 4, healing the sick and blind. He healed the blind and lepers by Allah's will. I heal the blind and the leper. Number 5, table spread from heaven. In response to his disciples' request, Allah sent down a heavenly feast. O Allah, our Lord, send down to us a table, spread with food, from the heaven. Surah Al-Ma'idah. His death and ascension. Isa alayhi salam did not die. Islam firmly denies the crucifixion and death of Isa. Instead, Allah raised him to the heavens. They did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but it was made to appear so to them. Rather, Allah raised him to himself. Surah An-Nisa. Second coming. Prophet Isa alayhi salam will descend before the day of judgment as a just ruler. He will kill the Dajjal and abolish false beliefs. Lead humanity back to monotheism, Tawheed. Establish peace and justice globally.